Today we will learn how to solve an OLL parity case on a 4x4 puzzle cube. This is a common parity case that you will encounter when solving a 4x4 puzzle cube. Ready? Let's go! If you have an OLL parity situation, your 4x4 puzzle cube would look like this. You can see that the edges are flipped like this. In addition, you could have more than one flipped edges. And therefore, you may have to apply the same algorithm multiple times. In order to solve this parity case, first, position the parity edge to face towards you like so. Then apply this algorithm. R2, B2, U2, L, U2, R prime, U2, R, U2, F2, R, F2, L prime, B2, R2. With that, we have successfully solved the OLL parity case. Let's break down the whole algorithm into 4 parts, so that you can easily memorize it. For the first part, we have R2, B2. For the second part, the focus is U2, and in between this U2, we have L and R. It goes like this: U2, L, U2, R prime, U2, R, U2. For part 3, it's quite similar to part 2, except that the focus is now F2 and the algorithm is shorter. So we have F2, R, F2, L prime. Lastly, for part 4, it's a repeat of the first part in reverse order. So we have B2, R2. That's it. You can now remember the algorithm and solve the parity easily. Alright, hope you can solve the OLL parity case on your 4x4 puzzle cube easily now. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Alright viewers, straight to the cube. See you on our next video and bye for now.